The technology tool I'm choosing to show you guys is Edpuzzle. I really like Edpuzzle because for my classes there are so many really great online like videos that work with my classes. But I noticed when I, just show a video in my class, a lot of times I start to lose my kids. They're not paying attention. They're messing with their cell phones. And so Edpuzzle creates a way for me to kind of demand their attention, and I can assign it to them through their Chromebooks. Or if you are teaching online, it's a great way to make sure they pay attention to the videos they assign, because you can add questions and then grade their questions from watching the video, and they can't progress through the video until they've answered the questions. And I'll try and show you what I mean. So what I want to do is I want to assign my students this video about the anatomy of an egg. It's only 2.5 minutes long, so I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go to Edpuzzle, and I am going to just put in that YouTube link, and it's probably going to pull up that video, and there it is. If you have a recorded video on your own device, you can upload it. I've done that with a whole movie before, and then and use it that way, but YouTube also works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add questions to this Edpuzzle that the students will have to answer. And I pair this with Canvas. Our school uses Canvas. And so I'm able to pair Edpuzzle with Canvas. And then as they answer the questions, Canvas will allow me to grade those questions so I can see how well they did, or if I can do it live in class. I can see how far they've progressed in the video, how many minutes they've watched, or how many questions they've answered. So if you want, you can cut the video, which means like if I didn't want to have like this beginning credits, I could have it cut right there and then click add cut, and then when they push play, it's going to start right at the beginning. You can add a voiceover, so I can just start recording. I can give a little instructions, so I'll just go ahead and do that right here with you guys. I'll push, hey everybody, I want you to watch this video and pay attention to the parts of the egg. And so that will play along with the video when they push play. And then the best part though is, I don't know why my computer's kind of glitching there, I can add questions. So I know this video is going to go over the anatomy of an egg. I'm going to stop it right there, and then I'm going to add a multiple choice question, and I will maybe what it is going to say is what makes up the largest part of the egg. And then I can give them multiple choice, and I can say albumin is the right answer. Chalazi. Oh, am I going to spell that right? Probably not. It's something like that. So, but you get the idea. So I can add, oh, I just marked that wrong. And then they will have to choose, and then I will be able to grade whether they got that right or not. You could also add, I'm going to save it even though I'm not done with it. I normally want to have 4. You could also add
to pass through the shell.
Oh, she's going. So I could add an open-ended question where I want them just to react to something, or I could just add a note. And what happens when you add a note, it will stop the video, so they have to read the note that you just gave them. They cannot go past your questions, and there's even a way that doesn't let them skip through the video. So they can't fast forward through the video or click anywhere in the video. They have to go through it and watch it. So if we go over, I think I have to push finish even though I am definitely not finished with this. We can go to my content and see some of the videos that I've done before, right? Just had these little videos where I had them answer questions. I assigned the movie Julie and Julia, and you can see these are all of the questions I asked. And then, oh, you can stop now. And like I said, I grade this through through Canvas, but you can actually assign it to them if you want to just have them log on to Edpuzzle. You can assign it to your class. And then this tells you like at what minutes there's, a multiple choice question, an open-ended question. And so the only warning I give you is you have to actually like own the, if you do a movie, you have to own the movie and have it downloaded from your computer. Or it has to be available on YouTube. So, if that makes sense, otherwise it will restrict you from showing it. So that's my tip, and I really like it. It's a good tool.